In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sketch feature in draw.io for Confluence. To get started, open the Confluence page that contains your draw.io diagram and make sure the page is in edit mode. This is important because you'll need access to the embedded diagram editor in order to change the style of your shapes. If you're just viewing the page normally, the editing tools won't be available yet. Once the page is in edit mode, click directly on the diagram. A small floating toolbar should appear near it. From that toolbar, select Edit. This will open the Draw.io editor in a pop-up window right inside Confluence. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see the canvas and the formatting options clearly. Now that you're inside the editor, choose what you want to apply the sketch effect to. You can either click on the canvas if you want to work more generally, or select specific shapes that you want to stylize. If you only want certain parts of the diagram to have that hand-drawn look, make sure those shapes are selected before moving on. This helps you control exactly where the effect is applied. Next, go over to the Format panel on the right-hand side of the screen. In that panel, click the Style tab. This is where Draw.io gives you visual customization options for the selected object or objects. Within the style settings, look for the Effects section. Under Effects, you'll see an option labeled Sketch. Check that box to enable it. As soon as you turn it on, the selected shapes will take on a sketch style appearance. This can make diagrams feel more informal, creative, or draft-like, which is especially useful if you want to present an idea in a lighter, less rigid format. It's a simple visual change, but it can make a noticeable difference in the way your diagram looks and feels. And that's it. Once the sketch option is enabled, your shapes will display that effect automatically. If you're applying it to multiple elements, just make sure they're selected first so the styling updates correctly. A quick tip while you're working: it's always a good idea to pause for a second and review the diagram after applying the effect, just to make sure the visual style matches what you want. The sketch look is subtle but effective, and it works best when used intentionally. That's how to use the sketch feature in draw.io for Confluence.